In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Wayfair account information, including changing your password in a few simple steps. Let's get started by heading over to Wayfair's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in wayfair.com, where you'll find an extensive online home store featuring a wide variety of furniture, decor, and outdoor accessories. Once you're on the main page, your first task will be to access your account. Look towards the upper right corner of the homepage. You'll notice a tab labeled Account. Click on it. If you aren't already logged in, this is a good time to enter your credentials. After you're successfully logged in, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this drop-down menu, click on the option labeled My Account. You'll be directed to your account dashboard, which is the hub where you can manage all your personal information and preferences. Here you want to look for Account Information. Clicking on this will allow you to view and edit various details associated with your account. Now let's focus on updating your password. On the account information page, you should see several options, one of which is a small button next to the password field that allows you to make changes. This button might be labeled as Edit, Change, or something similar, depending on Wayfair's current interface. When you click the Edit button for your password, Wayfair takes security seriously, and as such, they will send a verification code to your registered email address. You'll need to check your email inbox for this code. Occasionally, it might land in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check those spots if you don't see it right away. Once you have the verification code, type it into the designated field on Wayfair's site. This step is crucial as it confirms you are the account holder and have authorized this change. After successfully entering the verification code, you can now proceed to change your password. Choose a strong, secure password that includes a combination of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special symbols to enhance the security of your account. As you input your new password, some websites will show an indicator of the password's strength, so aim for a strong rating if possible. Once you've entered your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the field provided. Double check for typographical errors to avoid future login issues. After all is in order, submit your changes. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your Wayfair account password. It's a small but important step in ensuring that your account remains secure. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.